Get ready to eat bananas. Hello everyone, welcome to July Farm. Today we're going to explore the fascinating world of the most popular fruit in the world. Yes, we're talking about bananas. Did you know that 100 billion bananas are consumed each year? That makes bananas the most beloved fruit in the world. And even more amazing, there are over 1,000 different varieties of bananas across the globe, each with its unique flavor and texture. Not only are they delicious, but bananas are also a rich source of vitamin B6, vitamin C, fiber, and potassium. But have you ever wondered about the journey of a banana from the orchard to your hand? Now, you might be thinking, bananas? What's so complex about that? But trust me, this is a journey you don't want to miss. Get ready to explore the captivating world of bananas. In this video, we will take you from lush tropical banana plantations to high-tech processing plants, where these bananas are meticulously handled before reaching you. Stay tuned to learn more about the fascinating journey of the banana. Let's get started. First, let's start talking about the origin of bananas. Bananas are believed to have originated up to 10,000 years ago, some scientists suggesting they might have been the world's first fruit. Around 5000 BC, humans began cultivating wild bananas in Papua New Guinea. In 327 BC, Alexander the Great introduced bananas to Europe. By 200 AD, bananas had spread to China. In 650, Middle Eastern soldiers named the fruit anan, which means finger in Arabic. Bananas were small, about the length of an adult finger. In 1516, Spanish missionaries brought bananas to the Caribbean. In 1600, Spanish settlers attempted to grow bananas in Florida, but winter frosts made this impossible. In 1876, Americans first encountered bananas at the World's Fair in Philadelphia. In 1885, the Boston Fruit Company was established to meet the growing American demand. This company eventually became United Fruit and later Chiquita. By 1950, the Gros Michel banana variety was nearly wiped out by a fungus known as Panama disease. This led to the widespread cultivation of disease-resistant banana varieties from the Cavendish subgroup. The Cavendish bananas, named after William Cavendish, 6th Duke of Devonshire. The type of banana that most of us eat today is the Cavendish banana variety. This is the most popular banana variety in the world today and accounts for the majority of the banana export market. In 2010, the USDA declared bananas as America's favorite fresh fruit, with Americans consuming an average of 10 pounds per person per year. Now it's time to grow bananas. Let's visit the sun-drenched plantations in the tropics, where ideal conditions for banana cultivation are created. It all starts with tiny seedlings, carefully nurtured in specialized nurseries. These seedlings are the product of tissue culture, an advanced technique ensuring healthy, disease-free plants. After about 8 weeks in the nursery, they are ready to be planted in the fields. Bananas are grown in organically rich fields with access to a stable water supply and plenty of sunlight. Experienced hands carefully dig each hole, ensuring optimal spacing for each seedling. Then the young banana plants are planted by farmers, with the aid of machinery. Water is the lifeblood of any crop, and bananas are particularly thirsty. Therefore, maintaining proper moisture is crucial, especially during the early stages when the plants are young and throughout the dry season. Modern banana plantations rely on complex irrigation systems to provide a steady supply of water for survival. A good mist irrigation system, often automated and precisely controlled, ensures the soil remains moist, delivering the necessary water for young plants to thrive. Typically, it takes about 9 to 12 months from the time a banana seedling is planted until the banana plant matures and begins to bear fruit. Environmental conditions and care methods will determine the exact duration. When the plant matures, a large purple bud, known as a banana flower or blossom, emerges from the top. They are naturally protected by being entirely wrapped in a permeable bag. These specially designed bags allow light and air in while protecting the banana flower from insects, wind, and weather. As the banana flower develops and gradually opens, revealing rows of tiny flowers that will eventually grow into the beloved bananas. To maximize the size and quality of the fruit, some flowers are removed at this stage. Early flower thinning is done by experienced farmers using scissors. As the bananas grow larger, the bracts are removed, and the remaining flowers are meticulously thinned by hand. This final flower thinning ensures that all the plant's nutrients are directed towards producing large, uniformly sized, flavorful bananas. Additionally, soil care is regularly carried out. Soil fertility is enhanced through the use of minerals and natural fertilizers. Weeds are removed by hand or machinery instead of using chemical. Banana plantations, like any agricultural system, face constant threats from pests, diseases, and environmental pressures. Proactive measures are needed to protect valuable crops. This is where technology plays a crucial role in disease management. Instead of widespread spraying, farmers use advanced ground sprayers and even aerial agricultural planes to deliver precise doses of pesticides only to affected plants or areas. This targeted approach minimizes environmental impact while effectively controlling pests. Unlike some fruits that are harvested at peak ripeness, bananas are harvested when still green to ensure they ripen perfectly upon reaching consumers. This crucial step ensures the fruit retains its flavor and texture during transportation. It takes about 12 to 13 weeks from the first appearance of the banana stem for the bananas to be ready for harvest. Banana growers meticulously measure these bananas to determine the appropriate harvest time. Harvesting bananas requires a balance of speed and care. Before being carefully cut from the plant, each banana bunch is lined with protective padding. This seemingly simple step is vital in preventing bruises and scratches that can occur during transport and handling, maintaining the visual appeal crucial to consumers. Did you know that the banana plant is a one-fruit plant, meaning it only produces fruit once and then dies? Therefore, after harvesting bananas, plant is immediately cut down. Don't worry too much about it. Banana plants have the ability to reproduce by developing suckers from the base. These suckers, often called pups, will grow into new plants and continue the fruiting process. So, although the mother banana plant bears fruit once and then dies, by developing new suckers from the base, a banana plantation can continue producing fruit for many years. The harvested banana bunches are carefully transported to a central collection point. Each bunch, weighing around 65 pounds, is carried by workers on their shoulders and brought to a nearby cable transport system. This innovative system transports the bananas to the central packing plant on the farm. Bananas are highly perishable fruits, so speed and efficiency are paramount in the processing plant. This is why many large-scale banana plantations are strategically located near processing facilities, minimizing the time between harvest and processing. When bananas arrive at the packing plant, workers remove the protective padding and conduct a preliminary inspection, discarding any damaged or substandard bananas. Each banana batch is meticulously numbered and recorded, ensuring traceability and quality control. Fresh bananas are washed with chlorinated water using specialized spray nozzles, controlled water pressure to avoid bruising the banana. This standard industry method removes harmful bacteria and ensures food safety. Then, the bananas are cut from their stems and placed into a water tank, helping to protect them and remove excess natural latex. A gentle water flow moves the bananas to the next station, where they undergo another quality inspection and are cut into clusters of 5 to 7 bananas. These clusters float to the next workstation, where they are lifted out of the water tank and placed on trays. Scales are used to ensure each shipping crate contains the correct amount of bananas. The trays are then transported by conveyor to the next station, where they are finally processed to maintain freshness. final stage of banana processing involves packing individual bananas or clusters into boxes or larger crates for shipping. This is often done by skilled female workers who carefully arrange the bananas in boxes to maximize space and avoid damage. The packed boxes are stacked on pallets, each with a unique identification code for traceability during transportation. Once the pallets are full, they are loaded onto trucks or containers for transportation to consumer markets. While a significant portion of harvested bananas is consumed as fresh fruit, a growing segment of the industry specializes in transforming these bananas into various value-added products, with banana chips being a prime example. The journey from fresh bananas to banana chips involves several fascinating stages. Upon arrival at the processing plant, bananas are washed and then conveyed to the next stage, where they are peeled. Peeling is typically done manually to ensure only the highest quality bananas are used. Experienced and skilled workers peel the bananas. Depending on the desired banana chips, bananas are sliced into thin pieces or mashed into a fine paste. Sliced or mashed bananas are then cooked by deep frying. They are fried for a specific period until the desired texture is achieved. The banana pieces are then passed through a rotating device. After frying, the bananas need to be drained to remove excess oil. This process not only gives the product a crispier texture, but also reduces the oil content, creating a healthier snack. Next, the chips are run through a mixing machine for flavoring, such as seasoning or adding flavors. The seasoned chips are then evenly spread on a conveyor belt, ready for packaging. The banana chips are fed into an automatic packaging system. This equipment is equipped with sensors and an automatic weighing system to distribute the exact amount of banana chips into each package. The chips first go through a sorting system. Here, sensors check the weight of each chip portion and adjust the amount needed for each package. Once the chips are correctly portioned, they are placed into pre-made packages and passed through a heat sealing system. This system seals the packages, ensuring they are completely closed to keep the product fresh and crispy. The packages from the automatic packaging system are conveyed for easy distribution to manual packing areas. Workers inspect each package to ensure there is no damage or defect. Workers carefully place each package into larger bags if needed, to protect and consolidate multiple small packages into a larger unit. Next, workers arrange the bags or packages into cardboard boxes. This process requires skill to ensure the packages are neatly packed, not crushed, and the boxes are securely closed with tape. Finally, the cartons of banana chips are stacked on pallets. Workers ensure the pallets are correctly and safely stacked, ready for transportation to consumers. From humble beginnings as a tropical fruit, bananas have become a global staple, enjoyed in countless ways. And as technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative and delicious ways to enjoy this versatile fruit in the coming years. So the next time you peel a banana or chew on a banana chip, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has undergone, a journey made possible by the fascinating combination of nature and human ingenuity. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the banana industry. And don't forget to support us by clicking like on this video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth and captivating experiences about the world of food and technology.